Good morning, students. Today we will take the quick revision of the acid that made trees bloom. As you know, in this story there is a farmer. There is a farmer. There lived an old couple. Their only companion was a little pet dog named Mukko. The old man was rice farmer. He worked hard with his pet from morning till sunset. Mukko followed him every day to the field. One day the dog came running to its master. It motioned him to some place behind. The old man followed Mukko to the place where it began to scratch. The old man used his hoe to dig the hut. He found a lot of gold there. In the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife. They were unkind to all dogs. When they heard of their neighbor's good luck, they also tried, but they only found a dead cat in the pit, and because of that they became angry with dog and they killed it. Now the owner of Mukko mourned for their pet. They put flowers and water on its tomb. That night the spirit of Mukko appeared to the old farmer. In a dream it asked him to cut down the pine tree over its grave, make a mortar for rice pastry and a mill for benzo. Soon the old farmer made a hollow place in the tree trunk. He with his wife made a hammer of wood for pounding rice. They baked the pastry and suddenly the old man's gold changed into gold coins. The jealous old neighbor noticed bean sauce turning into gold. The old couple were rich again. So the neighbors also did the same, but their pastry and sauce turned into bombs. They destroyed the mill borrowed from the old couple and burned it. Now students, I will ask you some short questions. First of all, tell me what was the name of their pet dog. Yes, the name of the pet dog is Mukko. What did the old dame feed Mukko? They fed Mukko with tidbits of fish and the boiled rice. Which word meaning is comfortably? Yes, snug, S-N-U-G. Which dog is the writer talking about? The writer is talking about the pet dog. Who made the poor old farmers rich? किसने बनाया? The dog. What was the evil nature of the wicked old neighbor? What was the evil nature? The wicked old man wanted Mukko to make him rich. How did the dog express its dislike to the wicked man? Mukko rejected the offer of fish because it hated the wicked man. But who does daimyo refer to? The daimyo was a wealthy landowner in the 19th century Japan who threw some ashes over the tree. The envious and wicked nature of the old couple threw some ashes on the cherry tree. What made the daimyo angry? What made the daimyo angry? Because the ashes entered into his nose and eyes. So he began to sneeze. Now students, we will discuss some questions. Now see this exercise question words. Yes, page 64. What? These are the question word. What, where, when, how, when. What for किसके लिए आता है? Action or things. Who for people. Which for people or things. Where ask about place. When ask about time. Why ask about region or purpose. How ask about means. Whose for possessions. So you have to learn this. The answer should be Anil is in school. In school. Place के लिए where is Anil. Anil is sitting in the left row. Where is Anil sitting, because answer would be he is reading a book. What is he doing? Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. Where is Anil sitting? What is he doing? Who is the teacher? Answer should be who is writing on the blackboard. Answer would be the teacher. Children are writing in their notebook. Where are children writing? Some children are looking out of the window. What would be the question? What would be of the last sentence question? What are some children doing? So students, there are some other exercise. You can do all these also. Question words you have to read. You have to fill them. So students, my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he does not know what to do and where to look for it. There are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide which one to buy. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman to get there. How? You should decide soon. When? Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I don't remember when and how I learned. You should know how to talk and you should know when to talk and when to keep, where to keep your mouth shut. So students, I think you are able to understand this. Thank you.